Hi, what's up? What's up? What's up? I'm in QC right now. Nagsiset up pa ako, okay? Restrict ako sa TikTok, so I'm gonna be on Instagram. So whatever. Hi guys. The song is songing. Yeah, the songs are so comfy. Hi guys. I'm in sorry space right now and I'm just setting up ako naman isa dito ngayon, okay? Kasi busy yung assistant ko. Whatever. She's a strong, independent woman. Andre, oh my God, hi! Are you free today? Can you like go here? Kasi kailangan ko ng friend at kausap dito. Nababaliw na ako dito. Ako lang mag-isa. And there are people. Hi guys. I'm in QC right now. Sitio Kahel. If you're free, go. They got me drag this early on. Okay. Gusto nyo ba ng fit check? Saan yan? Sitio Kahel, 33 Scout, Santiago, Quezon City. And the coffee is so good here. You have to try. I think this is Ryan Bang's coffee. I'm not so sure. Okay, I'm not so sure. Aga, no. I know. I was here. I woke up 7 a.m. Malulusaw na ako, Hi, John Lester. The place is Sitio Kahel, 33 Scout, Santiago, Quezon City. You can check my other stories and dyan yung location. This is the situation right now. Nasa-set up ang mga taong bayan. Even me. So if you wanna go here, I have a couch. I have seats. So, I need ka-chika. Cheers. Magsiset up muna ako. Dinidistract na naman ako eh. Hi. Your fave angel. Hi Diva, how are you? This is the situation here right now. Nagsiset up ang taong bayan. Okay? Even me. Okay? Love that for me. Until what time kayo? Honestly, wait lang. Until what time nga tayo? O diba, random?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. O diba, trabaho ang babae today, carry lang. Paglusaw na ako, put a Paris filter, guys. Charot. Hi. I'll see you soon, my love. If you miss me, come here. Aga, just boy, am I so weird? Look at the Philippine weather. It's making me freezy the hell. Nagsiset up ang babae, kaya lang. Hi. TikTok live. Very lang. I think I'm done today. Hi, Casey. I'm gonna assume your name is Casey. Hi. May chance ba manghingi ng poster after the event? Gawin ko poster sa room. Well, I have these. This is the only poster I have. And it's not a poster, it's a postcard. Wala akong poster, sold out na yung poster ko. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Yes, we're currently. Oh, wait, not gonna be said. Ang display lang sa one to the pop of go. Just like, let's go ready. Kung natin ang alam nyo,
We're setting up. Gusto niyo ba ng tour? Sure. This is the situation for today's video. Hold the fuck. This is the situation. Ayan lang siya. And I'm over here. This is Horizon's area. Ryan Banks. So, ayun. Magko-coffee lang ako, very lang. Oh my gosh, low bat. Charge kaya muna ako. Later na ako mag-live.